Hi, today I'm going to show you how to prepare a data set for graphing. So here we are at a freshly uploaded data set in the table view, and you can see the three variables here: behavior, length, and weight. And say that I want to graph those, and I'm first going to show you what happens if I don't prepare this data set. So I go up to here, show as a graph, this yellow button. I click it, and we get into the graphing view, and I can see my variables up here: behavior, length, and weight. But if I go to click show, it's grayed out. I can't show length, I can't show weight, I can't show behavior. And you see this little caution triangle or caution circle, and it says columns of this type cannot be shown on the graph. So we need to fix that. So I'm going to go back to the table view, show as a table, the green button up here. I click that. Now here I am in table view, and I'm going to go for each variable. I'm going to click this type and get this drop-down menu, and I can choose categorical, numeric, count, or info. In this case, this is categories, shy or bold, so I'm going to click categorical, and now that's categorical. Length in millimeters. I look at the data, these are numbers: 47, 49, 50, 51, 51, 54, right? So these are numbers. I'm going to click type, numeric. Then over here, weight, this is also a numeric. I'm going to click numeric, and we have got those. I'm going to go up here and click save to save my work. Now when I go to show as a graph, the yellow button up at the top again, I click that. Now I can put variables onto my graph. I can choose length, and now we see length plotted there. Or I can choose behavior and length, and we see a scatter plot where I've got behavior on the X and length on the Y. Or I can switch my graph type and go maybe pie chart, and we'll just show behavior, and I can see the distribution of 73 shy individuals and 66 bold animals. Or maybe I want to do a histogram of length. I can look at that and I can see, okay, this is the distribution of length. So that's it. I'm going to go back to the table and say, once that you have prepared those, you have chosen the type for each variable, and you have saved it. That is all you need to do to prepare your data set for graphing. In another video, I will show you how to prepare a data set for a hypothesis test, either t-test or chi-squared. So with that, I'll say happy graphing.